But I can't feed the baby, mama sick and in bed. I've got a world full of worries running wild in my head. I spend all my money just to make ends meet, begging, Lord, won't you send me relief? There ain't nobody in this world who bet a dime on anybody like me. So I went down to the river of insufferable sin. Lord, I tried, but the water wouldn't let me come in. Many lives have been broken, there's too much blood on my hand. There ain't no water in this world who turn me back into an innocent man. So I made up my mind to find that palace of fire. Surely Lord, fallen angel, understands my desire. He's been defiled and defeated, still he never gives in. I know he'll help me on my feet once again. Can't no soul in this whole world but Satan understand the state that I'm in. But I went down to the fire of insufferable sin. Lord, I tried, but the devil won't let me come in. All the trust has been broken, he don't know on which side I stand. There ain't no room among the devil, such a broken and penitent man. And then my good woman rises from a sickness in bed, put her hands on my thighs, plants a kiss on my head. If the water won't have you, if the devil's too blind, I know that truly you're meant to be mine. And then she takes me by the hand and shows me how to leave my worries behind. So I went down to the river of insufferable sin. Lord, I tried, but the water wouldn't let me come in. Too many lives have been broken, there's too much blood on my hand. Only one soul in this world could help me, just the goddamn way that I am.